It is Sunday, March 23rd, and it's supposed to be spring. These snowflakes, I swear, are as big as teacup saucers. It's just started. Supposed to snow through the night, so who knows what it'll look like in the morning. Hopefully we will not lose power. Anyway, southeastern Illinois, spring 2013.